Hey, I'm Chef Guy Turland, and there is no better matching for a slow-cooked lamb shoulder than beautiful, rich Cabernet Sauvignon. For me, a whole-cooked lamb shoulder being pulled apart by the family is something really special. Lamb has been such a staple in the Aussie diet, and this is a recipe I know you're gonna love. Plus, it is super simple to make. Here in the Southern Highlands, we have the best lamb in the world. And I still remember the lamb hitting the table, slow cooked, falling off the bone, and everyone just pulling bits off, just enjoying that kind of community vibe. And the secret to a lamb shoulder or a lamb leg is to cook it low and slow and keep that bone in. The bone adds a whole new level of flavor, and it ensures that your beautiful shoulder or leg is juicy, falling off the bone, and absolutely to die for. So the secret to the lamb shoulder is to first sear off the top and get some color. So let's get into that. While our lamb's sealing off, we're just gonna roughly chop up some veg and some garlic, chuck it in the bottom of our baking tray, and that is gonna be the base of our lamb. There you have it, guys, a gorgeous slow-cooked lamb shoulder. This is a representation of how I grew up. It's a representation of my family and my backyard. Beautiful Australian lamb, and then we have these stunning herbs that I picked this morning. Just walking through the garden, plucking them off the tree is the key to making this dish super amazing. All of those essential oils soak into that lamb as we slow cook it, and then we have beautiful potatoes from a small town called Robertson just around the corner. And a bold dish like this deserves a bold wine, and we've chosen to match it with the Taylor's Jarraman Cabernet Sauvignon. This wine is stunning. Think blackberries, think mint, think super smooth, rich flavors. They're gonna hold up to this stunning lamb. So do yourself a favor, grab yourself a bottle of Taylor's, give this recipe a crack, and fill your dinner table for your family and friends with amazing food and delicious wine.